Alright, so we're here with the captain on the day of the St. Andrew Technical High School. Introduce yourself, please, for me.
My name is Alexavier. I play centre back for St. Andrew Technical High School.
Alright, first of all, talk me through your team's performance. What did you guys do today?
We just have to relax and play what the coach tells us, and we just know that goal will come.
Alright. What was the instructions from the coach before today's game? I know that you guys would have, had this game as a must-win game, even though you have one more game to play. What were the instructions from the coach?
Well, he told us to relax and just need to win this game to circle ourselves so we can go to the semi-final round.
Alright. And what do you think you offered to your team today?
Well, confidence and never give up.
You're one of the leaders of this team, I can see.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Talk to me about the rest of the competition. You guys have one more match to play. What's the mentality going forward in this competition? One more game to play the semi-finals, and I know you guys are aiming for the finals. Talk to me about that.
Well, we're going to the next game, and same mentality will come in this game. Let's go bring it to the next game.
Alright, a brilliant goal from your number 10 today, Omari Leng. Talk to me about that player. How do you feel about him?
Well, he's a very good player. For me, he's like a brother to me. Well, today, in terms of just go out there and just try to do something like I'm always do, and we come with a beautiful strike, as you guys can see.
Alright. What's the mood like in the camp? Is there, super confidence? Are you guys, not expecting much for the rest of the season? Or do you guys think you can really and truly upset somebody this season?
Yes, sir. We have a very, very good unit, and we think that we are very good.
Alright. JC next. What can we expect from Staths against Jamaica College?
It's going to be a very tough battle, but we have to just tell hard work and focus and do what the coach tells us to do and see the results.
Alright. Thank you for talking to us, Gooden. Congrats.